successfully code 2130 maximum twin sum of a linked list. So for this question, it gives us a linked list, and it define the linked list have the nodes number are even. It defines the twin linked list as, for example, the index 0, the head, right, and the tail. And also for the one that is the next to the tail, right? So it defines those kind of linked list is a node is an twin, right? So it let us to find the maximal twin sum. So what we think about is that is okay have find this one, right? Find the middle of the linked list, have a fast pointer move twice and a slow pointer move one step. So it goes here, right? And then fast pointer goes out and slow pointer stopped here, right? So in this case, we have find this kind of point here. And what we're going to do is that we can reverse, do the reverse of a linked list. For this one, it's better we have this one this one point to none. But for this one, if we still connect here, it is fine. We reverse this part, right? So it will goes to 1, goes 2, right? Then start from head to iterate again. And we'll say this is L2, right? And L1. Why L2 is not equal to none, just move L2 to the next. And L1 also move to the next and try to find the maximum. If we cut this kind of reference, we can also have the L1 does not equal to none, right? So let's write code for this. So we'll say with the node slow equals head, right? And the fast equals head. Let's say while it's fast that's not equal to none, and fast dot next don't equal to none. I have fast dot next, and we'll have slow equals to slow dot next. In this case, if fast does not equal to none, the slow will not equal to none either. And when the fast after goes out of the this kind of while loop, the slow will stop at here. So next thing is that we need to reverse the second part. So I have this node equals to none, right? And the current equals to slow. Let's say while current that's not equal to none, right? Where I have this node 10 equals current dot next, and where I have current equals 10. I have current dot next equals 3, and the pre equals current current equals 10. Yeah. So in this case, we reversed the second part, and also the head will be here, right? This will be the pre, and this one will point to a none, right? So So after this, we're going to have a max, in max, because the number is in a range, be positive number, right? So let's have maximum initial as 0. So let's say one list node, L1 equals head, L2 equals tail, right? Tail is the reverse part, yeah, right? Reverse head. And we'll say while this L2 does not equal to not, L2 equals L2 but next, right? So we know the number of L1, right? The first part will have the same number as the second part. And we'll have max equals to max dot max max L1 plus L2 dot value, right? Value. And in the end, we just return this max. Time complexity will be O n number of nodes.